Hello, my name is Melissa and I'm the registered nutritionist at Recovolution, and I've put together these quick and easy 15-minute snack recipes for you to enjoy. So to start with, I'm going to show you how to make your own berry trail mix. So trail mix is a mixture of nuts, fruit, and I've added a bit of dark chocolate. So this is a great snack recipe to have to help balance out your blood sugar levels throughout the day. And instead of reaching for the Snicker bar, you can make a big batch of trail mix, which lasts 4 months in the fridge if you put it in an airtight container. So for this recipe, essentially you want half a cup of 2 different types of nuts, and half a cup of dried fruit and a quarter cup of dark chocolate. So you can use any 2 different types of nuts and you can use any dried fruit. But I do recommend to use the dark chocolate because dark chocolate is low in sugar, great source of antioxidants, and it's a lot healthier than, let's say, white chocolate and milk chocolate. So the nuts I'm using is cashew nuts, pecan nuts, and for the dried fruit I'm using sultanas. So together they complement each other really well. The nuts provide healthy fats, protein, fibre, and the sultanas just sweeten everything up and helps towards your 5 a day. So this recipe makes enough for 3 portions. So get your favourite jar and you're going to add half a cup of cashew nuts. So I love cashew nuts because it has a nice creamy taste. And then want half a cup of pecan nuts, half a cup of your favourite fruit, so you could do goji berries, but I'm using sultanas as it's cheaper. Add the sultanas in there. And then we want a quarter cup of dark chocolate. So I've got these dark chocolate chips, but you could also buy a dark chocolate bar and then just cut it up into little kind of chocolate drop size pieces, like that. And then when it's in the jar, you can just mix it up or give it a little shake and just mix it all up. And then this is enough for 3 portions then, so you can keep it in the fridge. And when you're going to work, you can take a little jar or a little container, put a third of the mixture in there, and then you've got your snack sorted. So at 2 o'clock after lunch, when you're heading into a bit of a slump and you crave something a bit sweet and a bit kind of, you just crave something, you can have this instead. And it's a lot healthier for you than Snicker bar because you've got great source of protein and healthy fat. So this recipe gives you 20% of your fibre needs, so we need 30 grams of fibre a day, and this gives you 20%. So that's a really great snack, isn't it? And it also gives you 11 grams of protein and 30% of your iron needs. So iron is really good, particularly for women, to give you more energy, and it helps with making red blood cells. So if you're lacking in iron, maybe because you're not having enough spinach or kind of meat or pulses, then you can feel quite tired. So this gives you 30% of your iron needs just having 1 portion of this trail mix. So yeah, let me know what you think of it. I think it's super easy. I think that your whole family will enjoy it. And you know, you can mix up the dried fruit and the nuts to spice things up a bit if you get a bit bored of this particular flavour. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.